Quick, clean and professional, your window replacement by installers from approved Internorm distribution partners. Qualified installers will visit your home on the agreed date. The work area is prepared carefully to protect your living space. Protective covers are strategically placed and areas are masked off. Your old windows are taken out. The sashes are carefully removed and the frame is dismantled. The installers ensure that the brickwork is not damaged. Precision and care are our top priorities. The window openings are then thoroughly cleaned and the surface area is checked. The installation of your new windows can commence. The frame is positioned, secured and anchored with fixings. For optimum thermal insulation, the window connections are filled with suitable insulation tape or foam and sealed to ensure excellent thermal performance. The new window sashes are then installed and adjusted for perfect functionality. A comprehensive function test ensures that each installed product works smoothly. After installation, the windows and surrounding work area is cleaned thoroughly. All protective covers are removed, and your home is left clean and tidy. Finally, the installer will explain the features and functionality of your new windows and doors. Renovate your home with Internorm windows and doors to reduce your energy costs. Enjoy improved thermal insulation, excellent noise reduction, and a more pleasant indoor climate.